Alright, palagpakan ulit natin si Marcos. For this next song naman, palakpakan natin si Buddy Zabala.
Good evening, LA! Okay, bagong lahat. Is anyone drinking tonight? That's right, cheers! Cheers to everyone drinking. Please keep drinking. Minor alcohol, it will sound better. Bagong lahat, palakpakan po natin silang tatlo on stage. We're having so much fun. Come on, everybody. Round of applause. That's right. And because it's right, and because si Marcos ay tama, this next song is called Tama Ka. Kay sarap sariwain ang malaya. Kahapon ang hirap isipin, kay layo ng